Hey ICYWARRIORS, what's up? It's me, Icyparris, aka Icyparris. I don't know why I just said that, but anyway, I just want to say happy Valentine's Day. I'm going to make this intro very short and sweet because I know what you guys are wondering. There's color in my eye, there's hearts. You guys want to know how to achieve this, so I'm just going to really shut up and get on with the video. But before we get on with the video, make sure you guys follow me on my social media platform. On my Instagram is kittyboy_. You guys know I'm popping on Instagram. I don't want to toot my own horn, but my Instagram is really fire. Twitter and everything will be linked down below. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And everything will be linked down below, where I got the shirt too. The shirt's Fashion Over. Everything that you see on my face will be linked down below, or you can find it on my social media, on my Instagram page too. So yeah, love you guys so much. Happy Valentine's Day. Sorry this intro seems very super rushed. I just want to get on with the video because this is very much of a look and I challenged myself this year. And yeah, I'm just rambling now. But yeah, happy Valentine's Day. Let's get on with the look. Okay guys, now as you can see, let's fast forward. I'm in my Fashion Over Raw Velvet. We're going to recreate that eye on the other eye, obviously. So I'm just taking my Morphe N441 brush. I'm just taking just a normal brown shadow, just, you know, just for a little coverage and just a little transition shade, just to start off when we're using all these pinks. So now I'm taking the HudaBeauty Neon Palette. All the shades doesn't have like any names on it, so just the neon pink one. So I'm taking that with the M441 brush, a different M441 brush from Morphe, and just blending out that pink shade all over my eyelid, and just really blending it out everywhere. And now I'm taking the Morphe M166 brush and just packing on more of that pink, and then going back in with the M441 blush that we used earlier, just to blend out the pink shade, because I really want the shade to be really vibrant and really want you guys to really see the pink in this. So now I'm taking that purple shade that's in the palette, and I'm taking it with, again, the Morphe M506 brush. It's just like a small, precise brush. I actually love this brush for blending out for cut creases, so this is really good to make the cut crease more defined, as you can see in the clip. It's coming out really good, and it just blends out my makeup very well. And now I'm taking LA Girl in Toast, and we're just gonna cut that crease like I said. And I think I use the brush, let me see, I have all my brushes like right here with me. I kind of took, after when I was finished cutting the crease, I kind of took the Morphe M410 brush, and that's really good for cutting the crease. And I actually use this brush too to carve my eyebrows too, so it's really very good. So I actually like all these brushes. All the brushes I got is from the Morphe set, so I'll leave that link down below. It's from the James Charles eye brush set, so that's like pretty cool, I guess. So yeah, now I'm just cutting that crease, and I'm just gonna take some setting powder too, just to carve that out, and just doing my little trick that I talked about, like when cutting the crease. I actually like taking some concealer and taking it where underneath my close to where my eye ends, and just like concealing it so the cut crease can look more so defined. And I'm going back in with the Morphe M410 brush and just defining that cut crease. And now I'm going to be taking just a regular brush I got from Amazon. I'm packing that that pink iridescent color all over my eyelid, so we can just get some pop of color in my cut crease, like, you know, just like what we're doing. So with this pink shimmer shade from the Huda palette, I'm just really focusing that on underneath my eyelids. So as you can see, we can really like wing it out and just cut it. So, and I'm going back in with that concealer that I used earlier, Toast, and really just like winging it out, concealing it out and winging it out, so it could just look more sharp for my eye, because this is a cut crease and I want it to be more dramatic. I'm trying to like even it out too, and I think I got it. It's pretty good. I'm liking how this look went, so I like it. Hey guys, I think I kind of want to talk in this video because I think my makeup routine is going to be very quick. You guys already seen my makeup routine. I'll leave my old one linked down below. There will be a new updated one super soon, so I just want to say that. So first we're just going to do primer. So primer, I'm just going to go on with the False Sully Skin Blur. This is very good for the skin. Sorry for like my small ass mirror. I need to buy a mirror too, so next time you see me, hopefully I'll have a mirror, a bigger mirror. So I'm just going to be taking this all over the face, just to blur like my imperfection and everything. So just going to be doing that. Just really focusing this on my cheeks area and like my forehead. I'll be taking the Dermalogica new eye cream. This is their I think how you pronounce it, C eye cream serum. So it's a vitamin C serum, brightener, and firms the eye area. So it comes like this. It's like this white bottle and this yellow tube. I don't know if you guys can see that. I got this in Pure like around my birthday, and I haven't stopped using this since. This is what I had on my eye like on my birthday, and this is like really good for underneath the eyes. So I even use this too on days when I don't really wear makeup too, so it's very, very good. So I like it. And it's very hydrating like for the eyes, so like this. And I would say like a little like goes a long way, because like look, my under eyes is like so bright right now. Really quickly for foundation, I'm going to be using my FentyBeauty. This is in the shade, what is this? In the shade 445, that's my shade. And then I'll be also using the Fenty concealer too, and this is in the shade 345. Guys, back when I changed my battery and when I have a full face on, so yeah, hi. I got my foundation on and my concealer. I'm just gonna bake now, highlight, contour, and everything, and I'll really come back and I'll teach you guys how to do the hard freckles that I really want to do so badly. So yeah. Okay guys, I'm back. I finished my full face. I did contour, I bronzed up my skin, I baked everything. I did this so fast so I can just go on with the freckle hearts. So I got these stickers from just like from the dollar store. These are so literally so cute. So I kind of wanted to do hard freckles like all around my face, on my cheeks. So I've seen like many different theories like how to like do like these little freckle things. So I found like they had like these hard these like sticker freckles thing, but like they have like the hole already inside like these stickers. So what I'm just gonna do is just put one of the stickers like on my back of my hand to get, you know, the adhesive off like a little bit, and then just place it like over like where I want on my face, and then take like you can take like a blush or like a shadow that you use. I think we'll use like the pink shadow from the same palette that we use on my eyes, so we can like match and everything, so it can like be more pigmented. But you can even use like a red shadow or anything, or like any shadow that you like have to, so that would be good. So I'm just trying to see what I can do. Just like packing it on, and it doesn't matter if it goes like above like the sticker. It's really good if you really go above the sticker. I'm trying to make sure we still have the shape, you know, like it's not like falling on. So we kind of want this to be like a full heart. Oh, that's cute. See? Let me see. Yeah, it's a cute one. So just really play around like where you want like the hearts to go to. So right here is really, really cute. I'm gonna keep doing this like all over my face how I want to. I'm gonna mimic like if it's like freckles like on my face, and then I'll come talk to you guys like when I'm done, when I'm dressed, and yeah, I don't know what else to say. So yeah, because I'm in love. Yeah, bye. Okay guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys love this look. I had so much fun creating this look, guys. It's literally, where's my phone? It's literally 10:39. I'm up. Why am I up? I should be sleeping right now. I have work literally at 3 today. So literally guys, I had so much fun filming this look for you guys. Make sure you guys leave a like and comment down below. If you want me to create something else, please let me know on Instagram, not Facebook. You can follow me on Instagram. My social will be floating right here in the description box. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm gonna cut that shit out. But I really hope you guys like this tutorial. I really did challenge myself this year. I want to do something very different and crazy for Valentine's Day, but still something cute and sweet, and it is really cute and sweet. I hardly do colors, and everyone always been requesting me to do colors, and I've been obsessed with colors like these, so I just had to do for you guys. Literally, I'm matching with my shirt. Literally, there's hearts on my face. Literally, there's pink on my eye. I love it. So yeah, make sure you guys turn on the post notifications so you guys can be notified when I post a brand new video like this. I'll be posting super more on my channel soon. I'm just revamping my style like I always do, and I'm just I don't know, I'm just to reflect. I'm just new. I'm 21 now. My birthday vlog will be up soon too, so that'll be cool. So yeah, I don't know what to say, but happy Valentine's Day, guys. I'm team single. Let me know down below if you're single or taken, so I won't be like the only one that's single. So yeah, but yeah, anyway, I love you guys so much, and don't forget to stay strong, and happy Valentine's Day. Bye, guys.
Oh, your little daddy got